Boom, by smack in a bitch. Hey man, say man, back with another little video, man. And I'm about smacked in a bitch and I'm tired, so I'm gonna make this quick. You know what I'm saying? But we got a little different. This ain't no music or nothing, but this some gang shit. You feel me? This some shit I would've watched myself, so I'm gonna watch it with y'all. So we gonna get straight into it, man. So D-MACK from the 9-4 Hoovers trying to kill 4 of his Opps at once goes wrong. Shit. That you see that title right there, like God, like damn, you had to kill 4 niggas at one time, but it goes wrong. Alright, so Kevin D-MACK Carr was known as a killer and shooter from the 94 Hoover criminal gang. He was one of their most active members. He allegedly killed a Main Street shit. Get right. He allegedly killed a Main Street Crip member and shot a bunch of neighborhood niggas. Alright. For more context, the 94 Hoover criminals beef with the neighborhood Crips, the Denver Lane Bloods, the Main Street Mafia. Alright, they also known as the Midwest and the Lowdowns. Can I get copyright for this music? I don't know. But yeah. Damn, so this nigga ain't gonna talk or nothing. I gotta read this shit. They ain't gonna make niggas read it alright on October. Hold on, let me hit my shit, man. I ought to make y'all niggas read it. But I'll narrate this shit, especially since this nigga got music playing and shit. So, the 14th of October, man, 2020. D-MACK was hiding in the parking lot of a gas station on 111th Street, which is the Denver Lane Gangsta Blood. That's one of their main enemies. Alright. What happened? 4 people were inside the car, including 3 of his Opps was chilling. D-MACK popped out and tried to shoot all them niggas. Bad timing. LAPD pulls up at the moment he pulls his gun out and shoots him before he tries anything. What the fuck? That's wicked. Like, how the fuck? Bad timing. LAPD pulls up. That nigga already knew what the hell to do. Yeah, they actually have to do this shit. Where he at? Oh shit, that nigga. Damn, this nigga popped out the smut. This nigga was hiding behind the truck, nigga. Damn. Damn, these niggas. Hold on. Hold the fuck up. These niggas was watching his ass or something. Or they was watching these niggas. They was watching the Bloods or something. Cause hold the fuck up. Like, alright, so he right here. Alright, these niggas right here. Hold on. Look, they right there. Where this nigga go? Alright, damn, this nigga like right here somewhere. Ain't that him right here? Like, these niggas right here pulling in. This nigga already drew down. Damn, he don't give a fuck. This nigga still let off. Hold on. This nigga still let off with the... Like, well, he already pulled up with this bitch out. Yeah, that shit keeps skipping. Oh, then they shot his ass. Damn, I'm surprised they got this shit on YouTube. What the fuck? What the fuck? This nigga, did he even get the... Did he hit anybody? Damn.
10X33, 10X33, come on. Shot for our detail.
What's...
Fired. 10X33, 10X33, come on. Shot for our detail. I'll be on Figaro and 110. And then somebody pick the gas station. We're reaching man with a gun.
140 en route. What's the direction of approach?
X96,
Southeast units, repeat, you're not readable.
I want to know why they was already pulling up.
What's your location?
Keep the air clear.
What's the location?
Big in 110. Big in 110.
All units, officer needs help, Figaro and 110th Street. Officer needs help, Figaro at 110th Street. For victim with armed with a gun, shots fired. Shots fired. I need an RA for male, conscious and breathing, suffering from a gunshot.
Alright, so they did kill him.
Credit officers with saving them from being shot.
Oh my God, that's crazy. It's like literally if they didn't pull up on time, he came out of nowhere. When I looked up, he was pointing a gun at us, and I was in the passenger.
Yeah, why they getting arrested though?
They so happened to just busted you because I seen them pass. They busted at you. When they busted at you, they pulled up right on time, and I guess he didn't see them, and he was already pointing the gun, and they hopped out right on time.
So they must have seen this nigga something already. They must have seen this nigga creeping or something. So I'm guessing he saw them niggas coming out of wherever they was coming out of. He was across the street. He must have saw them niggas coming out, ran across the street. Didn't see 12 pass by. She saw them. She saw them pass by. She got a good eye. Saw them pass by. They busted you because they see fool creeping across the street or something on some like, oh yeah, there must be some shit going on. Pop up just in time type shit. And fool must have, like, this nigga when he hid behind the car, fool must have, like, that nigga sniper aim type shit. Save it. I thought that nigga started shooting as soon as he pointed that bitch. Also, fool, so he did end up dying. Alright, RP dude, he did end up dying. She said on that day he was conscious and breathing. Like, as he ended up bleeding out or something. Bro. This nigga finesse the shit out there. Me tomorrow or something.
They better play some fucking music.
Hey, fuck! Hey! See that back? Look at that little door.
Stupid.
That's all the Hoover did.
criminal game. You understand me? You already know. I said, baby, on that. You just sit on that bus, you fucking came to the
Gang bang.
Gang bang.
See, that's the bag chaser.
Oh.
Go at him with chain on, heavy as fuck. Stop playing with me.
My nigga.
Them niggas is lit. Yeah, man. RP food. Anyway. You fucking with me, I fucking with you. You ain't fucking with me, man. It's fuck you. You're